And see this traditional market in Cox's Bazar, Sugandha Foreign. People coming and go to the beach. And here is the market. You can see people buy something. And
এটার কোন ইনা আর কাম পাই বুঝি মামু 300 বিসিটি রে কাম পাই বুঝি আরে রাইখা এটা করো সুদা চাল লই আর আমরা কাস্টমার দেখি লাগবে আসেন দেখেন হ্যালো আপু আচ্ছা ঠিক লাগবে দেখেন আমার সময় রাখি দেখেন আসেন
it's this traditional market. That's reason too much people and too much gathering.
দোকানে পাইলো না খালি ইটা বাদে তাই দিশামিতা বলি নাই দিশামিতা জন্য এতটা 20 টাকা হবে
আসেন আসেন
They're selling something. He counts his money. This is very traditional market, see? Is this cloth especially maybe for women? Shop ki ladies collection? Yeah, is this cloth market especially for ladies? Is this chutney shop? They have all collection of chutney, variety of chutney. See, too much chutney. And is this your favorite lobster? See the lobster? This is the bag shop. And this is the jewelry shop. It's the local made jewelry with the snail and like the vibe of Cox's Bazar. See? They buy something. Here is the shop all with snail. Is this decoration for your home? See all the things from the sea. See? And see you again. Thank you, Sayang.